My God. Fucking idiots. McDonald's. Jesus, I haven't eaten there and I don't even know how long. Crazy. Oh, look at this. Motorcycle lane. How nice is that? Going on YouTube, just out for a night ride. It's Sunday night, as you can see, around 9:30. Just thought I'd you know, bring you guys with me. It's one of the only times there's not traffic, so hopefully more of an enjoyable ride, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, hope all you guys had a great weekend. No, I did. Why not finish it off with a sick-ass ride? Yeah, a couple of days ago we went to Port Dover, so that was I'm sure you guys saw the video by now. What an experience, my God. Okay, buddy, like, turn, for God's sakes. God damn, stupid. It's like the fucking turning lane is like wide open. You gotta wait for the last second to get over to that lane. My God. Fucking idiots. McDonald's. Jesus, I haven't eaten there and I don't even know how long. Crazy. You know, it's funny. It's like way back when in my 20s, man. No, not even my later teens. I'd be like, eat dinner with my parents and then, you know, be out with my buddies. It's like, hey, you guys want to eat? You know, be like, yeah, I'm down. Where you want to go, right? Get McDonald's. Yeah, back in the day when you could do stuff like that. Nowadays you do that, well, at my age anyway, you're gonna pay for it. It's gonna suck as much as you want to do it, but you know. Oh, see, you know what? This is how the roads should be. I wish they were like this all the time. It'd be so friggin' nice, man. So nice. Oh, look at this. Motorcycle lane. How nice is that? It'd be even cooler if there wasn't a speed limit in this lane. I think that would be awesome. Fucking didn't time that one right. Didn't time that one right. I had to end up putting my foot down. Oh well. Man, that's a bright light up there. It's actually kind of interesting. It's blue. Weird. Probably just a plane. Oh, here we go. See? No feet down. Perfect. Spreads it install. I don't know. I love this road. This is so nice. Especially at this time, there's like no one on the road. I mean, besides these three asses, but whatever. I'm sure eventually one of these guys is going to turn. Or they're going to just say the exact speed. No, I was right. Okay, perfect. Well then, I will continue in the bike lane, as they call it. No, just scooch over. Booyah! So nice. And you know what? It's well lit. Like it's good. It's a good road. It's a good road. You know, there's like a little side road that kind of goes down that hill over there. One day I gotta kind of do the adventure thing and go ahead and investigate. That'll be fun. Oh yeah, it's a little chilly down at the bottom of the valley here. Crazy. So funny, you get on the top of the hill and it's like warm, and then mind you, I'm wearing a leather jacket and all right now, right? But oh yeah, look at that warm air. We're gonna go down, it's gonna be cold again. So strange. One day, during the day. It's like everybody drives fast on this road. It's like, I'm so impressed. I know you guys are probably like, who cares? But listen, I do. Really, you just now decided, oh, I better turn. It's a nice church. Got some EDM playing in the headset. A little bit of house music. It's pretty good. Not bad. I don't mind this satellite radio. I got like such a good deal on it. It was like $5 a month or something like that for 2 years. How can you not? You know? Oh, that looked like an oil patch. Yeah, how can you not? Friggin' music's great. When you get bored, you just switch the channel, right? Super brake. I mean, you know what? Sucks that I caught a red, but I really can't complain. This has been actually alright. Besides my visor fogging up, but crackle pop, says the muffler. set it up. I have no idea what the speed. Oh yeah, okay. That's not. It's not bad. I guess it wasn't open enough in front of you. You had to cut into this lane. I mean, you know what? What road am I on? Oh, it's fucking 50. Never mind. Never mind. Rip up this way. Why not? Wow, that was like a quick 20 minutes. Alright, I'm back. That light took a little bit of time. I don't want to travel back up my favorite road there because the cop's there. I'm sure he's going to plant his ass in somewhere. Pop on that shift. Sick. I don't come down this road that often, but like every time I do, there's it's changed. Oops, fucking pothole. Nope, they got the advance. Charlie to number 8. I don't know if that means something or if that's actually just his, like, you know, his favorite number. I gotta go ahead and say it's just his number. maybe I'm gonna catch another red light. Oh, for fuck's sake. That's exactly why I'm not talking. You know, maybe it's because I ride too slow, so I miss the lights. Nah. Okay. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to cut it here. Well, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.